Hello my viewers. What I have here is a Lasko multi-directional tower fan. Well, that's what I call it, at least. You may remember this fan if you were around when I first started this channel. I made a video of it then, but I'm making a new one because I actually just cleaned this fan for the first time in the 10 years that I've had it. And there's a very good reason for that, because this fan was a pain to take apart. It's got so many pieces inside and they all fit together in quite a complicated way. But the reason this fan is so complex is because you can actually turn both the fans. It's got two little blowers in it, and you can actually turn them in two different directions, like so. I don't know what the practical use of that would be, but I thought it was cool, so I bought it. I guess if you had like two people sitting at a table, it would keep both of them cool. But anyway, I got it at Salvation Army, the one I was just at last week, actually. And I got a Holmes Blizzard along with it, but that fan died, which was unfortunate. But this fan still works, sort of. It's got an issue with the circuit board or whatever in here. So sometimes you'll press on the buttons and it won't do anything. But it's still a cool fan. Here's the back. These came in multiple, or different colors too. This one is green, which I don't think I've seen another one, but I know they also came in white, black, silver, and probably some other colors. Here's a look at the bottom. It's a model 4910, and it was made in October 2003. So anyway, let's turn it on now. See? You can sometimes press this and it won't do anything. There it goes. Let's make it oscillate. And it actually moves a pretty decent amount of air for how small it is. Man, I'm like 5 feet away from it right now. While we're at it, yeah, you can actually change the direction of it while it's oscillating too. So that's high. Come on. Yikes. Looks like a trick to make it work right. There it goes. So that's medium. There it goes. And that's low. It's pretty much silent on low. Closest of it. I don't know how well you can see in there because it's all black. that's about it. There's my Lasko multi-directional tower fan. Thanks for watching.